Hi, this is MX Briggs, and I'm here to take you into the world of sports. Let's start with the local scene, and entire lives have parted ways with their head coach Dani Mujkanovic after just 3 months in charge. The 37-year-old was announced late December as a replacement for Henrik Lem, who had been recalled by the technical partners Capelli Sport. But after supervising 11 matches in the 2021 Ghana Premier League, authorities at the basement club have decided to allow Mujkanovic to leave the position. Inter began the second round of the 2021 GPL with a visit to Dreams FC on Sunday. AFCON qualifiers still going on here, and then we have some of the games that went on last night. And we start with Group B. Malawi beating Uganda 1-0. Burkina Faso also beating South Sudan 1-0. In Group D, Angola won 2-0 against Gabon. DR Congo also beat Gambia 1-0. Egypt thrashed Comoros 4-0, and Togo lost at home to Kenya 2-1. In Group H, Algeria thrashed Botswana 5-0. Zimbabwe also lost to Zambia at home 2-0 in that game. Other games that will be going on today, we have Central African Republic versus Mauritania, Morocco versus Burundi, Cameroon versus Rwanda, Mozambique versus Cape Verde. In Group I, we have Guinea-Bissau versus Congo, Senegal versus Eswatini, Ivory Coast versus Ethiopia, Madagascar versus Niger. In Group L, we go to Nigeria versus Lesotho, Sierra Leone versus Benin. The 2022 World Cup qualifiers is still going on in Europe, and Portugal coach Fernando Santos says Cristiano Ronaldo is in no danger of losing the Portugal captaincy over his outburst at the end of Saturday's World Cup qualifier against Serbia. Ronaldo stormed off the pitch seconds before the final whistle and got booked for dissent after he was denied a stoppage time goal in Saturday's 2-2 draw. European qualifiers still going on, and we have in Group A, Luxembourg will playing against Portugal. That's Cristiano Ronaldo will be featuring in that game. We also have games like Azerbaijan versus Serbia. In Group E, we have Belgium versus Belarus. Wales will be going against Czech Republic. Gibraltar versus Netherlands. Montenegro versus Norway. Turkey versus Latvia. Let's go to other groups. In Group H, we have Croatia versus Malta. Cyprus versus Slovenia. Slovakia versus Russia. Still in Europe, and there's the English Premier League, and Sergio Aguero will leave Manchester City at the end of the season. The 32-year-old's contract expires at the end of the season, and he has been told it will not be removed. The Argentine, who signed for Atletico Madrid in 2011, has scored 257 goals in 384 appearances for the club. With the guidance of owners and contributions of many players, we earned a place among the greatest of the world, Aguero said. He will be honored by a statue at the Etihad Stadium alongside Vincent Kompany and David Silva, who left the club in 2019 and 2020 respectively. Liverpool forward Roberto Firmino is in contention to face Arsenal at the weekend after returning to training. The Brazil international, who remained on Merseyside with compatriots Alisson Becker and Fabinho after the South American World Cup qualifiers were postponed due to COVID-19 restrictions, has missed the last 3 matches with a knee problem. However, the forward was pictured participating in a group session yesterday at the club's training complex. Both legs of Manchester City's Champions League quarter-final against Borussia Dortmund will be played at the scheduled venues. The UEFA has confirmed the Premier League leaders played both their last 16 matches against Borussia Mönchengladbach at the Puskás Arena in Budapest. Due to German quarantine regulations, City are due to host fellow Bundesliga side Dortmund at the Etihad Stadium on April 6th, with return match taking place in Germany on April 14th. Let's switch gears now and do some tennis. And there's a Miami Open that's going on. Japanese second seed Naomi Osaka extended her winning streak to a 23rd match as she moved into a Miami Open quarterfinals for the first time. Osaka, who was unbeaten, running close, claiming the US Open and Australian Open titles, won 6-3, 6-3 against Elise Mertens. To the NBA now, and Russell Westbrook made a historic triple-double to power the Washington Wizards to 132-124 victory over the Indiana Pacers last night. He made a 35 points, 14 rebounds, and 21 assists, the first NBA triple-double to top 35 points and 20 assists. MX Breaks ends here, and I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.